In my top trader profile series, I profiled a Japanese trader named Bnf and analyzed how he's able to build a net worth of over $150 million. I've gotten a lot of great feedback from all of you on the 2 videos that I did, and many of you have seen his impressive 6-monitor trader workstation setup in my videos. But what is he actually looking at? So in part 3 of the Bnf video series, I want to take you further inside Bnf's mind when he's trading and show you screen by screen exactly what stock market data is he watching throughout his trading day, so you can try to emulate his trading style. So let's get started. On trading screen number 1, which is his upper left monitor, he has the Yahoo Finance Japan website up, and specifically on this site he's looking at the trading volume ranking of all the stocks in the Japanese stock market. Now, as a reference for Yahoo Finance in the US, the volume ranking would be equivalent to the most active stocks list from the previous trading day. Essentially, what Bnf is looking at is what are the stocks that are most actively traded by volume, and these are the stocks that he sees potential opportunities in. Now, the reason is trading volume provides information on how a particular stock is performing, what is driving the stock price, and how strong or weak the move may be. So for example, if a stock price is going up and is accompanied by high trading volume, it's a sign that the uptrend could potentially continue. Also, trading volume can provide clues on the likelihood of future price movements. So for example, stocks may have high trading volume when there is news or rumors about the company. So from the volume ranking list, Bnf puts the stocks that show a big trading volume increase from the previous day onto his watch list. Then if the stock shows a specific technical chart setup that he specifically likes, then he'll get into the trade. Now, after the Japan stock market closes for the day, he switches to display Yahoo Finance in the UK on this particular screen to watch what's going on in the UK markets that could potentially affect the Japanese markets on the following day. On trading screen number 2, which is his upper center monitor, he displays the stocks that are bought and sold based on the technical charts. Now, as mentioned in my previous Bnf videos, he'll pull up a 5-minute chart of some of the 50 stocks that he's currently monitoring and study the timing of buying and selling of these stocks. He would then use momentum indicators like MACD to determine when these stocks would start moving again. Now, after the market closes, he switches his monitor to display Yahoo Finance in France, and also he displayed the Monex Niter, which provides traders the ability to trade Japanese stocks after the market closes and monitor the US and European stock market activity. On trading screen number 3, which is his upper right monitor, he displays price data from the CME Globex. The CME Globex is an electronic trading platform used for derivatives like futures, options, and commodity contracts across a wide range of asset classes. So what Bnf will be monitoring could probably include the following futures contracts: the Nikkei 225 futures contracts, which are contracts available for trading the overall Japanese stock market index; the S&P 500 futures, which are contracts available for trading the S&P 500 index, which generally reflects the health of the US economy. Oftentimes, the Japanese markets follow the lead of the US markets, so it's important to monitor what is going on in the US. The Japanese yen futures track the yen, which is known for its unique characteristic, has a safe haven currency, and tends to appreciate during times of increased uncertainty in the financial markets. So if the yen appreciates in value, it could be a sign of potential stock market weakness. So Bnf watches the price trends of all these futures markets closely because it moves ahead of the current spot market and is very valuable to spot price changes before it happens. Now, he says that the stock market is a game of how quickly you can react the moment the futures move. On trading screen number 4, which is his lower left monitor, it displays the stocks with the top trading value and volume ranking. Now, Bnf is always on the lookout for stocks that have the potential to move up or down significantly, especially with volume, and the stocks that don't move, he'll stop monitoring them. For example, the Tokyo Stock Exchange sets a price range known as the daily price limit within which price fluctuations are limited in a single day. Now this means that once stocks reach their daily price limit, then BNF doesn't watch them anymore because the stocks won't move anymore specifically on that particular day. In addition, if the stocks have low daily trading volume, then he will avoid those stocks because there is not enough buying or selling strength to push these stocks up or down. Now generally low volume stocks are very choppy, meaning their prices tend to fluctuate wildly. On trading screen number 5, which is his lower center monitor, this is the main screen that he looks at the most. Now this screen contains his watch list of the 50 companies that he monitors throughout the trading day. Now as I mentioned in my previous video, BNF would select these 50 stocks based on the fact that they've either risen or fallen sharply the previous day or had good price movements in the past. Then once he sees a trade is set up on one of the 50 stocks that he likes, he'll take action. Therefore, this is also the screen that he would use to enter his trades and track his entire stock portfolio. Now for some trading ideas of the setups that he likes, please check out my previous BNF videos at the end of this video. On trading screen number 6, which is his lower right monitor, it displays stock market information about individual Japanese companies. Now specifically, he'll monitor price flow of the market leaders in their respective sectors and use it to determine the strength and weakness of each sector. So for example, if he tracks a group of stocks in the steel sector, he'll want to see if there's strength in the sector by looking at the price performances of the market leader. Generally, if the market leader's stock price starts going up, all the stocks in the sector will follow, and this will give him the confidence to buy any of the steel stocks because money is flowing into the sector. Now in addition, he'll keep a tab on the market indices such as the Nikkei 225 to determine the sentiment of the entire market. As I mentioned in my past BNF videos, if the general market is going up, then BNF will focus on stocks that are trending with the market, and vice versa if the general market is going down. Thanks for watching. If you like this video and haven't watched part 1 or part 2 of the BNF video series, then please click on the videos to your left. Also, if you wouldn't mind, please smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, hit the subscribe button to watch more videos like this, and hit the notification button so you'll be notified of future videos where I profile the best traders. I'll see you in the next video.